In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Instagram Lite app from Google Play Store. If you are encountering errors or issues while trying to install this app, then there are quite a number of steps you can follow to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to fix this issue, you need to go back to Google Play Store, and once you are on Play Store, just tap on it to open and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you try to install the app. However, if you're already logged in but unable, then go tap on your profile icon here and scroll down to settings. From settings, look for this network preferences, and under this, look for app download preference. Here, you want to ensure you choose the first option over any network and tap on OK to save the changes. This will ensure you can download the app via the current network you are connected to. From here, turn on your data or connect to Wi-Fi to download and install your app. Now, in most cases, this should be able to fix your issues. However, if you can't, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store, and to do this, you need to access its app info page by just long pressing on it, and then you should see app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear around here or even the name of the app. So that will depend on the type of smartphone you are using. So I'll go to app info here, and under this, you want first to force stop this Google Play Store app. This will stop any background activities that are going on or that are running on Google Play Store. Then you need to clear data by tapping on clear data and then clear cache and finally OK. So at this point, you will need to restart your smartphone. Once you have restarted, open Google Play Store, and now it's time to search for our app. So let me search Instagram Lite, and here's our app. And now I'll open it and try to install. And let's see if we can now install. And look at that, now our app has been installed. Should you have an issue with space, you will need to clear app space if you are unable to install this app at this stage before you can install it. So that's how you can fix can't install Instagram Lite app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.